In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. Duplicates can sneak into contact lists, sign-up sheets, or any dataset collected over time, and they make analysis messy. We'll use a quick conditional formatting rule to spotlight any repeated names instantly without changing your data. Start by highlighting the column that contains your names. You can click the column letter at the top to select the entire column, or click and drag to select just the range you care about. If you have a header, it's fine to include it. This method works either way. Selecting the whole column ensures future entries are checked automatically, while selecting a smaller range limits the check to just that section. Next, go to the Format menu and choose Conditional Formatting. A panel opens on the right side. In that panel, look for the drop-down labeled Format Cells, If, and click it. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Custom Formula Is. This lets us write a simple test that returns true for duplicates. In the field that appears, type exactly X county if A1 show 1. Here's what it means. County checks a range and counts how many times a value appears. A tells it to look through the entire A column, and A1 refers to the cell in the current row of that column. If that count is greater than 1, the formula returns true and the formatting will apply. If your names are in a different column, just replace A with the correct letter, like BB and B1 for column B. Now choose a noticeable fill color, such as red or yellow, so duplicates stand out immediately. You can also adjust text color if you prefer higher contrast. When you're happy with the style, click Done. Instantly, every repeated name in the selected range will be highlighted, while unique entries remain unformatted. A few quick tips to make this work smoothly. Because the formula references the entire column, the rule will automatically catch new duplicates as you add more names later. Countif isn't case sensitive, so John and John will be treated as the same name. If something looks off, check for leading or trailing spaces, which can make two entries look identical but count as different. And if you ever want to turn the highlighting off, open conditional formatting again and delete the rule. That's it. You now have a fast, visual way to spot duplicates in Google Sheets, keeping your lists clean and trustworthy.